Okay guys, now then we're back, and I got the new power supply to 600 watt EVGA now. And also I went ahead and put it in the case. And talk about a task and a half, guys, because that was one of the most aggravating things I've done so far. Other than the cooler, of course. Because I had to line up each screw, plus I had to go find a magnetic screwdriver, so yeah, there was that. But now then, what we're going to do, and this is not modular or anything like that, so let's see, we're just going to put this in there. Let's take that big thing off. Might want to use that later, actually. Let's see. I can get it off of here, guys. Well, maybe. Maybe not, though. Okay. Yeah, so then. So for, let's see, I'm going to separate these real quick. Okay, so that's a 24 pin. That's right there. Oops. Yeah, let's break that and get it in there. That's CPU and 24 pins, so that will go up and over. Yeah. So then, let's see. What else am I going to need? So I can go ahead and just plot it out what I'm going to do. This is the PCI, so that's for the graphics card. SATA. And I'm going to need 2 of them. Let's see. Yep, they're both here. So these two must be Molex and another. Oh. Oh, that's Molex there. Can't see a damn thing over here. Okay. So now then, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, guys, and then we'll be right back. I got it all in. Yes, I know the cables look like a huge mess, and I'm going to tell you guys, in this little case, this is about as good as it gets. So hopefully this will work. So now that I got that, I got one more thing left to do, guys, and that is for the graphics card. So we will plug that in and see if everything works. So, let me see, can you hand it to me? It's right behind you. Nope, that directly behind you. It's the one under, that's the mouth. Yep, that's it, the red and black box. That's it. Red team. Got it? Thank you. Now then. And also, I did already put the back panel on already, so. Because, boy, that was aggravating doing that in itself. Crap. Here it is. Go ahead. First, I got to loosen up these screws before I take them off. Okay, now then. One. Well, now then, gotta line it up to there. There we go. Now then it's in. And now then it's got to screw it in. Get that on there. Well, maybe. Yeah, that's one. Got one more. One thing about I'm going to put these thumb screws on this side real quick. Get everything lined up back there. And boy, that took some work too, guys, just trying to get the thing on there. Okay, so now then all I got to do now is line these up for the 8-pin for PCIe. Okay. Well, come on. Okay. Okay, guys, and we're done with that. So we will be back in a second, and we'll make sure this turns on and everything else. So we'll see you guys in just a second. Got it up. Got it working. At first, I had plugged in the CPU fan into the optional one, not the main one. So I had to go back in and redo that. But now then, I got it up. You see we're loaded into Windows now. Everything seems to be working. Let's see. Task manager, let's see. See if we're at, see here. Just make sure. Okay, i7 8700K. Oh god, let's see. Memory is 8. Let's see. Okay, GPU is the RX 480. Okay, let's go to device manager. Device. I hate Windows search. Manager. There we go. Okay, something else is not registering. A PCI, memory controller, and then the SM bus. Probably nothing right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's in, that's working. Bluetooth, okay. Because this is a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So let's see. Audio, got digital audio, okay, microphone, okay. Display RX 480. Okay, CPU, let's see, there should be 12 of these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. They're all here. They're all going. Good. Got 12 threads here. And each of these are hyper-threaded, of course. Of course, you got to turn that on and everything. So it looks like, okay, oh, wait. Okay, disk drives. Okay, that's another thing to see. Make sure they're all still working. Okay, there's the 2 terabyte. There's 1 terabyte, and then there's Windows. And now, okay, let's see. And also, guys, by the time this video gets out, I should be long back to getting, trying to do daily videos, except for Sundays, of course, because I don't work on Sunday. So, let's see. That works. Disk drives are here. Okay, let's try DVD. I need to make sure. Okay. Okay, so let's try and load up Steam. Maybe. It's going to be offline mode, but I'm going to make sure that at least the game is going to load up, make sure everything's working. Let's see. It's the slowest I've ever seen this SSD be. Okay, reach a starting offline. There we go. Okay, library. Let's see, let's just load, let's see. What do we want to load that would be faster? Well, the i7 should be fine. Let's just do Rise of the Tomb Raider. Let's see, where is it? Okay, I know I have it. There it is. Like, yes. And this is a step down because, as you guys have seen before, I did have 16 gigabytes of memory. Now, okay, Steam is currently in a first launch. Oh, yeah, that's right. I never even, okay, so let's just do, what's up, offline I can play? Let's just try Arkham Knight, let's just see. Okay, so forget this. Okay, there's Grand Theft. But that's probably going to say the same. Wait, no, they should have an offline mode. Because guys, from now on, I'm going to have to start using my phone's hotspot to be able to get this thing to work, period. Please let it come up with a... So, because the internet out here sucks so bad that you can't even use it, so... Okay, offline mode. It should come up. I hope. Hopefully this thing still stays on it. Also, guys, one thing. I did not even notice. I keep forgetting these are Strix ones, so they have RGB built into the motherboard. I forget it every time, too. Well, there we go. Got that. See. As you can see, guys, inside the cables are a mess, and I have no idea what to do with them. Because, let's see, unable to access. Okay, guys, so it looks like I won't be showing you any games, obviously. Looks like I can find another one. Let's see. What else do I have on here anyway? Fortnite won't work because I have to have internet. Assassin's Creed, I gotta bring up Ubisoft. Bugs Bunny, no. I gotta have the disc, and I still ain't got that out yet. Dead Space. Gotta bring up Origin. It's just trying Naruto. Because I've been playing that like crazy before we left, so that should definitely be activated. Make sure everything's gonna work. Everything turned on. Yeah. It's like P or O or something. P the keyboard controls on the game. Oh, that's not it. Let's make sure everything's on. Oh no, we want on high. Leave that out. I don't like that anyway. Is it P? It's L. Right. There we go. Okay, let's just try. Whoa. Oh, with P is. Oh, wait, which one is it? There we go. Okay, P must be Y. Okay. There we go. Okay, now then. Boy, this is gonna be confusing. So you guys can see it is working though.
Step aside. Naruto's monkey is on the scene.
All right, bring it on.
Let's fight.
So I have absolutely no idea how to play this with a keyboard. So yeah, we're just not even going to continue with that. Kill over here. Okay, so L is that, so K must be back. Well, something work. Oh, forget it. I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Okay. Now, okay, guys. So that's about it. Not sure what else there is to talk about it here, except for, well, let's see how hot it is. Well, no, we need, what do we need? I don't have nothing to check CPU temperature, but I can't check GPU, so, yeah. Okay, 48 degrees, 116 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, that's about right, about what I had before, so it's about the same there. See, because I did not keep, when I put in the SSD, I did not keep the new, the Intel Extreme tuner so I could check on temperature. Let's see. And I don't have any of the IDA64 or anything like that to keep track of. So other than that, I think that's about it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this new computer, watching me build it as much as I'll probably enjoy using it. Sure, that's all right, okay. So, it looks like everything's gonna work. It's all set up. So I should, as soon as you guys see this video, I should be back trying to get videos out at least once a day, except Sundays, of course. So, and I will see you guys next time.